There are many varieties of roses that bloom from early spring to late summer. Always choose fragrant and pesticide-free petals. You can collect and dry them throughout the season, and they'll look something like this and smell heavenly. The subtle flavor of rose petals has a calming and uplifting synergy with lemon verbena. Pictured here is some fresh lemon verbena which I harvested and dried last year. I'm going to crush the leaves gently and add them to the pot along with stevia. This is what it looks like fresh. I'm adding 1 whole dried leaf to my pot, and that's enough for sweetness and palate cleansing, along with some dried rosebuds from Syria which I bought in the Kanaalstraat in Utrecht. Once you've boiled your kettle, allow the water temperature to drop to about 80 degrees. This takes 1 or 2 minutes. Infuse your tea until it reaches a pleasant drinking temperature and inhale its aromatherapeutic vapors. This tea is wonderful at around 3:30, 4 o'clock when you've got a busy day behind you and you have a busy evening coming up. And take a little moment for yourself before you start the next shift.